Okay, Diane, this clip will attempt to discuss the possibilities in the big front room. Yeah, the ceiling's 8 feet in here. Floors and ceilings, are probably going to keep the same ceiling and try to put down some more floors, hopefully wood. We talked about putting the 3/4 bath in this corner over here. I don't know if we can save this window location or not, but you put it over here in this corner and come this way and try to leave room for an entry here, and put the laundry room in here. I don't know if the door to the laundry room might come in from this way. Maybe that seems more likely. I don't know. A stackable. Try to get a bigger stackable washer and dryer to put in here to save space. Again, laundry room, 3/4 bath, running down this wall. Whether there's room for two lavatories in the 3/4 bath or not, I don't know. That would be nice. We can look at that. Over here, you've got, I'd like to do some creative stuff on this wall here, anticipating the refrigerator being here, and trying to look at my sound setup and trying to use some of this space back here to drive my stereo system back this way in the house, going that way. Maybe put a pocket door back here. We can play with that idea. There's no closet idea back here. We're trying to preserve an open space for like a bunk room where we could get, up and down bunk and or twin beds and or double beds back in this space. And we're looking at, maybe a closet could go, creative closet could go in here, maybe with room to put a cabinet over here for my stereo set. I don't know. This potbelly stove thing over here, I don't know if there'll be any place for that or not with this bedroom set up. Maybe not.